Are you curious about building a deeper connection with yourself and the universe? Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your spiritual path, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share our top spirituality books for beginners. From ancient wisdom to modern insights, these books are handpicked to help you unlock your full potential. Keep watching as we reveal the best books to guide you on your spiritual journey. And if you're thinking, that sounds great, but who has time to read? Stick around till the end to learn the 3 strategies we use to finish 2 or more books a week, even with busy lives. These tips will help you fit reading into your routine and keep your spiritual growth on track. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore practical spirituality by integrating ancient wisdom, science, and psychology with modern living. If you're looking for a more peaceful, authentic, and fulfilled life, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. We've got links in the description below for all the books and tools covered in this video, so you can easily check them out. Now, let's dive in. Why spiritual reading? Books are more than just words on a page. They're gateways to new levels of understanding, helping us expand our awareness and challenge how we see things. Going through a spiritual awakening? Reading about spirituality can really help you make sense of all the changes happening. It gives you fresh perspectives and insights, making it easier to understand and integrate these big shifts into your everyday life. Spiritual awakenings often come with an insatiable thirst to learn more and understand deeper spiritual meanings. This quest for knowledge can feel overwhelming, but books are a goldmine of answers. They offer guidance, comfort, and most importantly, a way to quench that thirst for understanding. With thousands of spirituality books out there, ranging from super insightful to overly technical, extreme, or just plain boring, picking where to start can be overwhelming. To save you time and ensure you get the most out of your reading, we've put together a list of our top beginner picks for the modern soul. To help you navigate this list, we've broken it down into 3 categories: starter spiritual books, books for deepening understanding, and books for seasoned seekers that are still approachable for those new to spiritual exploration. Starter spiritual books. First up, we have The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. This remarkable book breaks down complex Toltec wisdom into 4 simple, actionable agreements that can transform your life. Be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personally. Don't make assumptions. And always do your best. Each one helps free us from habits that cause suffering and limit happiness. Ruiz's straightforward but profound advice is perfect for anyone looking to build a life of peace and self-acceptance. It's an ideal starting point for beginners on their spiritual journey. Next is Deepak Chopra's The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success, mixes spiritual wisdom with practical advice. This short little book lays out 7 key principles that can lead to success and fulfillment in life. Each law, like the law of pure potentiality and the law of giving, guides you towards harmonious living and achieving your goals. Chopra's clear and concise language makes these concepts easy to understand, making it perfect for anyone looking to apply spiritual principles to enhance their daily life and overall well-being. Moving on, we have The Universe Has Your Back by Gabrielle Bernstein. This empowering book teaches you how to turn fear into faith, guiding you to live a life inspired by divine purpose. Each chapter includes stories, meditation practices, and real-life examples to help you connect with your spiritual foundation and release blocks to your desires. Gabrielle's engaging, modern approach makes complex spiritual concepts easy to grasp for newcomers. It's perfect for anyone wanting to understand how trusting the universe can boost resilience and bring peace and joy into their lives. Wrapping up our starter reads, we have Light is the New Black by Rebecca Campbell. This book is a call to anyone feeling the urge to connect with their true self and live their purpose. Campbell encourages readers to step into their power by following what excites them and trusting their intuition. It's perfect for those wanting to blend spirituality into their personal and professional lives, with a big focus on finding and following your soul's calling. Books to deepen your understanding. Next up in our deeper explorations is You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. This transformative book dives into the idea that our mental patterns and beliefs can affect our physical health. Louise Hay offers practical tools like affirmations and insightful wisdom to help foster positive thinking and self-love, which can heal and transform your life. Her approachable style makes complex psychological concepts easy to understand, making it perfect for those wanting to deepen their self-awareness and harness the power of their mind for change. Our next pick is Wayne Dyer's Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life, which brings a fresh take on the ancient wisdom of the Tao Te Ching. Dyer shares 81 verses, each followed by essays that turn these teachings into practical advice for modern life. The book encourages a mindset shift towards peace and simplicity, making it perfect for anyone wanting to deepen their spiritual understanding and apply these timeless lessons to everyday challenges. Our journey deepens with The Celestine Prophecy by James Redfield. This fascinating book combines adventure with spiritual wisdom, taking you on a journey through Peru to uncover and apply 9 spiritual insights. The narrative, story-driven approach makes complex spiritual ideas easy and fun to grasp, encouraging readers to spot synchronicities in their own lives. Last in this category is The Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. This daily meditation companion offers short spiritual reflections encouraging you to embrace your life's journey with heart and mindfulness. Mark Nepo is masterful at capturing wisdom in a beautifully poetic way, opening your eyes to the small wonders of life. This book is perfect for those seeking daily inspiration and a deeper connection with the present moment. It's an excellent choice for reading 1 page a night before bed, providing a peaceful end to your day. Or for yoga instructors, sharing a Mark Nepo passage during Savasana can provide a thoughtful and reflective end to your class. Now, we're moving on to books that, while still suitable for beginners, offer slightly more advanced insights. Some concepts may feel abstract or the writing style more complex, but these books provide profound wisdom for those ready to deepen their spiritual understanding. Books for seasoned seekers. The first one is The Untethered Soul by Michael Singer. This compelling guide is all about achieving spiritual liberation. It explores how to break free from the habitual thoughts and emotions that block your inner peace and happiness. Singer's clear, concise language introduces meditation and mindfulness techniques that help you observe your inner experiences without getting attached to them. Next on our list is Eckhart Tolle's A New Earth, Awakening to Your Life's Purpose, which offers a profound look into overcoming the ego to achieve spiritual enlightenment and global transformation. Tolle elaborates on how personal happiness and the fate of the planet are interconnected through consciousness. His teachings encourage a shift towards a more joyful and fulfilling existence by understanding and transcending our ego-based state of consciousness, making it crucial for those seeking to impact the world spiritually. We're wrapping up our advanced selections with The Anatomy of the Spirit by Caroline Myss. This book presents a unique blend of energy medicine and spiritual wisdom, examining the connection between emotional, psychological, and spiritual stresses and physical illness. Myss introduces the concept of 7 energy centers, or chakras, and their influence on our health and spiritual path. This intricate exploration is ideal for those seeking to deepen their understanding of how spirituality directly influences physical well-being. Now, let's shift gears and talk about how to fit these transformative teachings into your busy life, because we know you have a lot going on. Tips to fit more reading in your life. Finding the time and energy to read all the books we want can feel impossible in our busy lives. So, how can we make more space for reading and reflection? First, try scheduling regular reading time. Just like you make time for meals or exercise, setting aside specific times for reading can help build a routine. Second, if you struggle to find time to read, Audible can be a game changer. Audiobooks let you soak up the wisdom of spiritual texts while you're on the go. We regularly listen to 2 or more books a week with Audible, It helps us speed through our reading list, and with so many free titles, you'll always have something great to listen to. To get you started, we've included a link in the description for a free 30-day trial of Audible. Check it out and explore a wide range of spiritual books at no initial cost. Third, if you want to turbocharge your reading even more, using book summary blogs and apps can boost your understanding and efficiency and take you to the next level. These tools give you the main ideas and insights from lengthy books, so you can get the essence of spiritual teachings without spending hours reading. We've been using Blinkist, an app that condenses key ideas from thousands of nonfiction books and podcasts into 15-minute audio and text summaries. Check out the link in the description to try Blinkist. Using these methods, you can make spiritual reading an easy and fulfilling part of your daily routine. This way, you'll always have time to grow and evolve on your spiritual journey, even with a busy schedule. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What other spirituality books have touched your life or should be added to our list? Comment below. Thanks for watching.